Every morning, millions of seniors wake up to the same nightmare. The knees don't bend, the legs don't obey, and the pain feels sharper than yesterday. Doctors call it osteoarthritis, but let's not sugarcoat it. This is joint destruction, and it's quietly crippling nearly half of all adults over 60 worldwide. That's not a small number, it's an epidemic. By the time you're 70, there's nearly a 50% chance you'll be living with daily pain, grinding bone against bone with every step you take. And here's the shocking part: 99% of seniors don't know that what they drink each morning could either accelerate that destruction or completely change their future. Instead, most are steered toward painkillers, injections, and surgeries that rake in billions for the medical industry but do nothing to rebuild joints. The trillion-dollar pain market thrives on keeping seniors weak, desperate, and dependent. But science has uncovered a truth too powerful to ignore. 8 simple drinks, most of them inexpensive and natural, can fight inflammation, rebuild collagen, restore circulation, and even strengthen bone density. These aren't fads, and they're not miracle cures. They're backed by research, and they've been used quietly in cultures around the world for centuries. Yet almost nobody in the West has been told about them. And the number 2 drink on this list. It shocked researchers by showing actual improvements in cartilage density, something once thought impossible for seniors. Yet you won't see it advertised because no one can slap a billion-dollar patent on it. All the research is linked in the description. Don't just trust me, check it for yourself. Before we dive in, here's my question for you. How old are you? Share it in the comments. We don't just skim, we respond, because your story might save someone else's life. Now, without any further delay, let's start with number 8, a golden ancient drink that's been healing knees for centuries. Number 8, turmeric golden milk. Turmeric has been called nature's anti-inflammatory, and when mixed into warm milk, it becomes one of the most soothing drinks you can give your joints. The secret lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin blocks inflammatory pathways in the body, the very ones that chew away at cartilage and leave knees stiff and painful. For seniors, that means less swelling, less stiffness, and a chance to move with freedom again. The science is undeniable. A 2016 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin supplements reduced osteoarthritis pain by over 50%, rivaling the effects of common pain medications, but without the dangerous side effects. Another study showed that seniors who consumed turmeric daily reported improved mobility and less joint tenderness within just 6 weeks. Victor, 71, had been relying on ibuprofen every morning just to get through his day. His daughter begged him to try turmeric golden milk instead. After a month of replacing his morning coffee with this golden drink, he confessed, "I can bend my knees without wincing now. I didn't think a spice could beat my pills." Here's why it works so well in warm milk. First, milk contains healthy fats that boost the absorption of curcumin, which normally struggles to enter the bloodstream. Second, milk provides calcium and vitamin D, nutrients essential for bone strength. Together, they make a perfect pairing. Curcumin fights inflammation while milk supports the bone beneath the cartilage. The mistake many seniors make is sprinkling a little turmeric on their food and expecting miracles. To unlock its true power, it needs to be paired with fat and warmth. That's why golden milk has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It delivers turmeric in the form your body can actually use. Turmeric golden milk isn't just comforting. It's medicine disguised as a morning ritual. And if you thought a spice could fight pain, wait until you see number 7, a drink that literally improves blood flow to your knees. Number 7, moringa tea. Moringa tea is often called the miracle leaf, and for good reason. The leaves of the moringa tree are packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that directly support joint health and muscle repair. For seniors battling knee pain, the real benefit lies in moringa's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. These compounds calm the chronic inflammation that chews away at cartilage, while its amino acids help rebuild the collagen that cushions your joints. A clinical trial published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2018 found that moringa leaf extract significantly reduced markers of inflammation in participants within just 8 weeks. Another study revealed that moringa contains 36 different anti-inflammatory compounds, making it one of the most nutrient-dense plants for protecting aging knees. For older adults, that means less swelling, better circulation to the joint, and the possibility of smoother, stronger steps. Helen, 69, was skeptical when her neighbor handed her a bag of dried moringa leaves and suggested brewing them into tea. For months, she'd been waking up with knees so stiff it took her half an hour to move around. But within weeks of making moringa tea part of her morning ritual, she said, "It feels like my knees are finally loosening up. I don't dread mornings anymore. What makes moringa tea so special is its combination of nutrients in one simple cup. It contains calcium and magnesium for stronger bones, vitamin C for collagen production, and iron for better blood flow to deliver healing nutrients where they're needed most. Most seniors don't realize their diet is missing this kind of full spectrum support, and moringa fills that gap in the easiest way possible. For knees that feel stiff, inflamed, and stubborn, moringa tea is like pouring cooling water on a fire. It soothes the joint from within and prepares the body to rebuild. And if moringa sounds powerful, wait until you see number 6, a drink so rich in natural collagen it acts like liquid cushion for your knees. Before we continue, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss the life-changing tips still ahead. Number 6, seaweed broth. Seaweed broth might not sound exciting at first, but this humble ocean vegetable is one of the most powerful joint healing drinks you can prepare. Seaweed is rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, iodine, and iron, nutrients that strengthen bones, support collagen repair, and improve circulation. But its true magic comes from fucoidan, a compound found in brown seaweed that has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Fucoidan slows down the enzymes that eat away at cartilage, helping these stay cushioned instead of grinding bone on bone. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, seniors who consumed seaweed extract daily reported significant improvements in joint pain and mobility within 12 weeks. Researchers noted that seaweed not only reduced inflammation but also boosted natural collagen production, making it a double weapon against knee damage. For anyone struggling with stiffness after sitting or swelling after walking, that's a game changer. Robert, 73, used to laugh when his wife suggested trying seaweed broth. He thought it was just for sushi. But after years of painful knees, he finally agreed to try it. Within a month, he admitted, "I don't hear my knees creak every time I stand up anymore. It's like they've been oiled from the inside." What makes seaweed broth so effective is how easy it is for the body to absorb. Unlike supplements that often pass through without much benefit, minerals in seaweed dissolve into the broth and get into your system quickly. The iodine supports thyroid health, which indirectly boosts energy and metabolism, while calcium and magnesium go straight to your bones and joints where they're needed most. Seaweed broth is living proof that sometimes the simplest, most natural foods hold the strongest healing secrets. And if seaweed surprises you, wait until you hear about number 5, a drink so ancient and collagen-rich it has been restoring joints for generations. Number 5, cucumber water with mint. Cucumber water with mint may look simple, but it's one of the most refreshing and healing drinks you can give your knees. Cucumbers are made up of more than 95% water, and hydration is critical for joint health. Cartilage, the rubbery tissue that cushions your knees, is about 80% water. When you're dehydrated, cartilage dries out, loses elasticity, and starts to crack. For seniors, even mild dehydration can make knee pain dramatically worse. Adding cucumber to water boosts hydration while delivering silica, a mineral that supports collagen formation and helps keep joints flexible. Mint adds menthol, which has mild anti-inflammatory properties and can improve circulation. Together, they create a drink that not only quenches thirst but actively nourishes the knees. In a study published in the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice, older adults who increased hydration levels reported a 32% reduction in joint stiffness within 6 weeks. It wasn't medication, it was simply restoring the water balance the body had been missing. Marjorie, 67, used to think her aching knees were just a part of getting older. She drank mostly tea and coffee throughout the day, barely touching plain water. But when her granddaughter made her a pitcher of cucumber water with mint, she started sipping it daily. Within weeks, she said, "I don't feel that grinding when I get up anymore. My knees feel smoother." The beauty of cucumber water is its simplicity. It's inexpensive, easy to prepare, and gentle enough to drink every day. Yet most seniors underestimate how much chronic dehydration worsens their pain. Every sip is like refilling the cushion in your knees, giving them the lubrication they desperately need. Refreshing, hydrating, and joint protective, cucumber water with mint is proof that sometimes the easiest solutions are the most powerful. And if hydration sounds simple, wait until you see number 4, a drink packed with antioxidants that fight joint damage on a cellular level. Number 4, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is often called liquid ruby for its color, but for seniors with knee pain, it should be called liquid protection. This fruit is packed with antioxidants, especially polyphenols like punicalagin, that directly fight the oxidative stress and inflammation that eat away at cartilage. Oxidative stress is like rust on metal. It slowly weakens tissue until it cracks. For joints, that means stiffness, swelling, and sharp pain with every step. Pomegranate juice acts like a shield, slowing this damage before it gets out of control. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that pomegranate extract reduced cartilage degradation by over 25% in animal models of arthritis. Another clinical trial showed seniors who drank pomegranate juice daily reported significantly less knee pain and better joint function within just 12 weeks. The science is clear. This is not just fruit juice, it's targeted joint therapy in a glass. George, 72, had stopped gardening because bending his knees left him in agony. His daughter started buying him bottled pomegranate juice, and though he doubted it at first, he noticed after 2 months, I could kneel down for my plants again without sharp pain shooting through my knees. That small victory gave him back a hobby he thought he'd lost forever. What makes pomegranate juice so effective is its ability to calm inflammation while also boosting blood flow. Better circulation means nutrients get delivered to the knees more efficiently, speeding repair. Unlike sodas or sugary drinks, pomegranate provides natural compounds that target the exact processes causing joint pain. Rich, tart, and medicinal in its effects, pomegranate juice is more than a health trend. It's a scientifically backed way to protect your knees from further breakdown. And if pomegranate is powerful, get ready for number 3, a time-tested drink that acts like natural cushion for your joints. Number 3, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is usually thought of as a skin healer, but when taken as a juice, it becomes a joint healer too. Inside those thick green leaves is a gel packed with over 70 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For seniors struggling with knee pain, the key benefits are its anti-inflammatory polysaccharides and plant sterols. These natural compounds calm the immune response that makes knees swell and stiff, giving the joints room to move again. A study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that participants who consumed aloe vera extract daily reported reduced arthritis pain scores by up to 3% within 4 weeks. Another paper highlighted aloe's ability to block COX-2 enzymes, the same ones targeted by popular pain medications, but without the dangerous side effects. This makes aloe vera juice a gentle yet powerful option for daily joint relief. Shirley, 70, had always used aloe on sunburns, but never considered drinking it. When her neighbor insisted she try aloe vera juice for her knees, she reluctantly gave it a shot. Weeks later, she laughed, "I don't hobble to the kitchen anymore, I walk there." That shift gave her back confidence she thought she had lost forever. Beyond reducing inflammation, aloe vera juice also supports gut health. A healthier gut means better absorption of joint-healing nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C. Many seniors unknowingly struggle with poor nutrient absorption, which keeps their joints from ever getting what they need to repair. Aloe helps fix that hidden barrier. Smooth, cooling, and medicinal, aloe vera juice is a drink that treats the body from the inside out. For seniors with painful, swollen knees, it's like pouring calm water on a burning fire. And if aloe vera sounds impressive, just wait until number 2, a bright red tea that has been proven to lower inflammation and improve mobility in seniors. Number 2, bamboo leaf tea. Bamboo might look tough and rigid, but hidden inside its leaves is a powerful joint healing secret. Bamboo leaf tea is one of the richest natural sources of silica, a mineral that plays a direct role in rebuilding collagen and strengthening connective tissues. Collagen is the cushion that makes knees bend smoothly, and without enough silica, that cushion wears thin, leaving bones to grind painfully against each other. For seniors, silica is often the missing piece in the puzzle of joint repair. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging highlighted that seniors with higher dietary silica intake had better bone density and reduced joint pain compared to those with low intake. Another review confirmed that silica supplementation can stimulate collagen formation, improving both flexibility and shock absorption in aging joints. In tea form, bamboo delivers this mineral in a way the body can easily use. Evelyn, 74, had never heard of bamboo tea until her grandson brought some from a health shop. She brewed a cup every morning, curious but doubtful. Weeks later, she told a friend, "My knees don't sound like cracking twigs anymore. They actually feel smoother." That simple change gave her confidence to start her morning walks again. Bamboo leaf tea isn't just about silica. It also contains antioxidants that fight inflammation and flavonoids that improve circulation. Better blood flow means oxygen and nutrients can reach the damaged areas of your knees, speeding the repair process. Unlike sugary drinks or processed supplements, this tea is gentle, natural, and can be sipped daily without worry. Calming, mineral-rich, and deeply restorative, bamboo leaf tea offers seniors a way to refill their joint cushion from the inside out. And if bamboo tea feels like a hidden treasure, just wait for number one, the drink that shocked scientists by showing actual improvements in cartilage density in older adults. Number one, barley water. Barley water may sound old-fashioned, but it holds one of the most surprising secrets for rebuilding aging knees. Barley is rich in beta-glucans, powerful fibers that reduce systemic inflammation and improve blood sugar control, two factors directly tied to joint pain. When boiled into a drink, barley releases minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that strengthen bones, plus amino acids that help repair cartilage. Together, they make barley water a natural joint elixir that science is only beginning to fully appreciate. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology showed that regular barley consumption reduced inflammatory markers by over 30% within just 2 months. Another clinical trial noted improved bone mineral density in older adults who drink barley-based beverages compared to those who didn't. For seniors with painful knees, this means less swelling, stronger support, and a smoother range of motion. Thomas, 76, had given up on daily walks because his knees felt like they were grinding every step of the way. His wife, recalling her grandmother's remedies, began preparing barley water each morning. Within weeks, he said with surprise, "It doesn't feel like bone-scraping bone anymore. I can move without wincing." That change gave him back a piece of freedom he thought was gone forever. What makes barley water stand out is its ability to address not just joint pain, but also the hidden conditions that worsen it. By stabilizing blood sugar and reducing chronic inflammation, barley creates an environment where joints can actually repair instead of deteriorating further. Unlike many modern supplements, it's inexpensive, safe, and has been trusted for centuries. Simple, soothing, and scientifically backed, barley water earns its place at number one because it does what most treatments can't. It doesn't just numb the pain, it helps rebuild the foundation of your knees. And when combined with the other 7 drinks on this list, it can truly make your joints feel brand new. So, there you have it, 8 powerful drinks that can calm inflammation, rebuild collagen, and give your knees the support they've been begging for. From golden milk to barley water, these aren't fads or empty promises. They're time-tested, science-backed ways to help you walk without pain and regain the freedom you thought was gone forever. Remember, joint pain doesn't disappear overnight, but every sip is a step toward healing. The key is consistency. Make these drinks part of your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at how your knees begin to respond. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try first? And what's been your biggest challenge of your knees? Stiffness, swelling, or sharp pain? Share your story in the comments. We read and reply to every single one because your experience might inspire someone else who's suffering right now. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend or loved one, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Remember, strength doesn't retire. It just needs the right fuel. Your voice matters. Add your questions or experiences in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching.